I am Oran Z D. Belgrave Sr. have been collecting a lot of the work from the Pan-African Film and Art Festival, back over 30 years ago. We have over 1,000 pieces of art that came from the POF some of the different years from our museum, the Oran Z Pan-African Black Fax and Wax Museum. In Los Angeles, 3742 West Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard 323-299-8829. And we like to show to anyone who is interested. Please contact us at www.oransblackmuseum.com or 2916 North 24th Street in Omaha, Nebraska. On the red line, the Black Heritage Preservation Society Incorporated. .org. www.psi.org. Through February 19th, the 32nd Pan-African Film and Arts Festival, a 2-week-long celebration of film, art and culture, will take place February 6th to 19th, 2024, in Los Angeles at the Cinemark Baldwin Hills and XD and Baldwin Hills Crenshaw Plaza, with film screenings, industry panels and social events all centered around the Black experience. POF will present more than 140 film screenings, including Q&As and in-depth discussions with attending filmmakers from all over the globe. Thank you and God bless you, Oran Z, and may the rest of your life be the best of your life.